Welcome to week 5. You have finally reached about halfway through the course, and this week we have talked about the nature of management. Wanted to just do a few housekeepings. Please make sure that you are attending class regularly. This means that you have posted in the discussion forum and completed your weekly assignments. It's important that if you are unable to complete the assignments, that you reach out to me via email, text message, or even make a phone call. Keep in mind that there is a late policy on all late assignments. Discussion forums cannot be made up once the week closes. Your discussion forum also means that you must respond to at least 2 of your peers within that week. Your initial post is due on Thursday by 11:55 p.m. and then your 2 responses to your peers are due on Sunday by 11:55 p.m. This week in Module 5, there are no assignments related to Connect. You only have your discussion forum. It's very important that you review all of the chapters that have been covered this far. Your midterm will be given next week. You will have 1 week to complete that. That will be done through Connect. One other thing is, as you are completing the Connect assignments, if you're going in through the Connect website, you're probably seeing additional assignments with additional due dates. It's important that you actually access Connect through the classroom, and how you'll access that is through under the tab Demonstrate. There will be assignments listed, and you will click on that, and it will then launch into the Connect platform. If you have any questions or any comments or concerns, please reach out to me via email, text message, or by phone. This week, the gradebook is up to date. It is in real time, and that is where everyone will stand as far as the grade. You will receive an email or a telephone call from the Learning Assistance Center if you are at risk of failing the course. If you have any questions, again, reach out. Thank you. Have a great week.